I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Undertale theme on piano, only way. Start by finding middle C and set a relaxed hand position. Focus on the main motif in the right hand and break it into small, repeatable phrases. Count aloud quarter and eighth notes as you practice, keeping a steady tempo. Once the melody is secure, add simple left hand chords to support the harmony and build from there. Warm your left hand by practicing basic triads and broken chord patterns that match the song's progression. Use steady quarter note pulses to anchor the tempo while the right hand plays the melody. Work each hand separately until notes and rhythms feel automatic. Then combine hands slowly and focus on balance so the melody sings above the accompaniment. Gradually increase speed only when accuracy and expression are reliable. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh-smelling car that matches your practice vibe, because life is too short for a stinky car. I mention this as a lighthearted pick-me-up between takes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now refine the piece by adding subtle dynamics and articulation to the melody and accompaniment. Emphasize important melodic notes with small accents and slightly lift supporting voices for clarity. Practice gentle crescendos and decrescendos to create natural breathing points and emotional shape. Focus on smooth legato lines where required and cleaner detached notes where the score suggests contrast. Small expressive choices make the arrangement feel personal and alive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.